Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for this amazingly beautiful mini purse keychain. So let's start with the video. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 4 chain crochet stitches. Once we are done with the 4 chain crochet stitches, we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Here I am making a slip stitch. Okay. After joining the first and last stitch, we get a very small tiny bit circle, small gap in between. See this gap, it is big enough that our needle can pass through it. Now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from inside of that circle or gap. Okay, see, I'm inserting my needle inside, grabbing the yarn and pulling through that same circle, and again yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So it's like I'll be making 20 double crochet stitches. Each stitch I am making by passing my needle from inside that circle and then completing my stitch. I'm showing you slowly how to take a double crochet stitch, but if you people want to refer tutorial video for making how to make a double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. Please do refer the video. It is also with written notes and very simply explained and quite slow demo. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. We are supposed to make 20 double crochet stitches, each time passing a needle from inside that circle. I'll just complete this and show you. See, I'm done with my 20 double crochet stitches. Okay. Now I'll complete this round by joining first and last stitch with the slip stitch. So this was my first stitch. I'm joining it with the last stitch with the help of slip stitch. Okay, now for next round we will make a pattern and it will be 1 1 2. It's like in 2 continuous stitches I'll take 1 single crochet stitch, then next stitch again 1 single crochet stitch, and every third stitch I'll be making 2 double single crochet stitches. Okay, remember every third stitch we will make 2 single crochet stitches. So it's like 1 single crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 single crochet stitch in next stitch, and third stitch we will make 2 single crochet stitches. So it's pattern 1 1 2. This pattern we are going to follow all around. Okay, all around the circle. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, I'm done with the second round also, and as usual to complete the round I'll be joining first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now see, following same pattern we will make one more circle like this. Same exact pattern we will make one more circle. We need 2 circles, one for front of a mini purse and one for back of a mini purse. Okay, now we've see like these 2 circles. Now we will join our 2 circles. So how we are going to join? We will just make a simple single crochet stitch. We will insert our needle parallelly to 2 stitches and pull the yarn from both the stitches at once and then make a single crochet stitch. See, our first stitch is joined. Similarly for second stitch also parallelly we will insert a needle from one stitch, second stitch of the first circle, then second stitch of second circle. Okay, grab the yarn, pull through from both stitches at once and complete a single crochet stitch. Okay, So this we are going to do all around the circle. We will just leave 7 stitches of both circles parallelly front of each other. Just make sure you don't skip any stitch. Just go on making single crochet stitches by joining 2 stitches together. That's it. And just make sure when you are inserting your needle in like first stitch of this circle, so it should be the first stitch of other circle also, second stitch of this circle, then second stitch of other circle also, and just grab the yarn from both the stitches together and make a single crochet stitch. Same way you have to continue joining all around. Just leave 7 stitches. That's the opening of a mini purse. See, I'm done over here. So this is how it will look. Okay, all closed. Now we will make a cord. See, I'm done over here. So now we will make a small cord for this teeny mini purse. Okay, so just make 10 chain crochet stitches and join it with the slip stitch with the first stitch where we started joining our circles together. Yeah, see this first stitch. Here we have to join our 10 chain crochet stitches. See, here we have joined. Now we will take one side, we will just turn our work. Okay, adjust your needle as you have turned your work. Okay, now just make single crochet stitches around that cord. Go on making single crochet stitches around that cord. There is no particular number, make as many as you can make till you reach other end. Here we are done. Again we will make a slip stitch with the first with the stitch where we have joined the cord. We have started the cord. Okay, now we will take one side of the purse. Okay, and we will make 4 slip stitch, one in each single stitch. Now making the slip stitches, it is optional. If you want to close this purse, you do it only by that time you do it, or else you can skip this part. Okay, so just make 4 slip stitch in each single stitch, and in 4th stitch make chain crochet stitches. Now how many chain crochets we are well, I have made 12 chain crochet stitches. It depends on where your this is like a cord which for the button where to close it, so it depends where you have placed your button. So maybe you need only 10 chain crochet stitches or 7 chain crochet stitches. Just see, and when you are done, just join it back in the stitch where you started your chain crochet stitch, 4th stitch, and then again complete the design by making slip stitch in each single stitch for rest of the stitches, and our mini purse is ready. And join the keychain to the cord. That's it. It depends on you how you want to decorate it, whatever you like, the way you want to decorate it. See, wherever I am placing it in middle, my button I am placing it in middle, so that's why I made that much big chain crochet stitches. See, this is how our mini purse keychain looked like. Okay, those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thanks a lot, thanks a million, thanks for helping me grow on YouTube. And those who have not subscribed, please do subscribe my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, and do like, comment and share. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.